Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Git is installed and your identity is set. This avoids commit confusion later. Once done, read the project's contributor guideline to know branching and commit standards. Then fork the repository to your account and clone it locally. Make a dedicated topic branch immediately so you don't work on main. This sequence prevents accidental pushes and aligns your workflow with the project's expectations, making collaboration predictable and reviewable. You implement your change following the code style and run the test suite so reviewers see a working patch. Once your local commits are ready, craft-focused, descriptive commit messages and squash or rebase as required to keep history readable. After verifying tests pass, push your topic branch to your fork and open a pull request to the project's target branch. Make sure to include a concise description and link any related issue so reviewers understand context and intent. You address reviewer feedback promptly and explain changes clearly in follow-up commits. This speeds acceptance. If you need to rebase to squash or reorder commits, force push the updated branch and note the change in the PR. When conflicts occur, resolve them locally, rerun tests, and only then push. Finally, keep your fork synced with upstream main frequently to reduce conflicts. This single habit prevents most painful merges and keeps your contributions clean and merge-ready.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.